I'm tired of the endless battle of scoping cat litter. But today, my backup has arrived. Wow!
Let me help you win this battle. Let's start. The lower height allows cats to easily jump in and out. We can quietly and quickly clean up the mess. No worry about soft or unburied cat litter. Our litter box simulates the motion of manual scooping to clean. The safety protection system keeps your cat out of danger. UV sterilization ensures a healthier experience for your cat. With a super large capacity, you can leave home with peace of mind. Even when you're away, you can monitor your cat's health anytime, anywhere. Now you've won this chaotic battle.